I don't know.
What's up, YouTube? We're back.
It also it should stay on the counter.
We decided to get one of those things.
Yep.
Yeah, we got another troublemaker right there. Showing that off. There you go. He's a shiny one.
Hey, the legendary.
But first, we're gonna start out with a special edition collector's pack.
Yeah, 1 pack Hitsugaya, right? 1 pack
Kamigawa.
1 pack Hitsugaya, maybe?
Trying to get a Wandering Emperor. Ooh.
I'm trying to get Hitsugaya red.
I mean, that's a nice land. I like the lands. Yeah, they have a lot of
Master
cards.
Splinter, hello.
Well, there you go.
First rare is...
Oh, nice. So yeah, that one's not a good one. Ooh.
That's from the Commander deck, if I'm not mistaken.
Indeed. Maybe, I don't know. Ooh. You know these rares we're getting. Ooh. Invoke Despair. Yeah, we definitely have some despair right now.
Yep.
That was a dead one.
I'm coming back for you.
He's coming back. Alright guys, now here's for the main event. We're gonna see some crazy cards. We're using a pen to open the box. And it says guaranteed foil and art card.
Yeah,
so we gotta see what's up with that.
On a side note though,
we're going to the streets, guys.
Here are box.
Holy Thomas!
Here are box toppers.
That looks awesome. Gate greeters. Is it greeters?
Yep. Gala greeters. Gala greeters.
Oh shoot, that's awesome.
Galaga.
Alright guys, let's begin.
Alright, first pack got a thing. Alright, here we go.
Tip card? It's not even a tip card, it's just a card.
No, the tip card would be in the back.
Oh, okay.
I do like those showcases.
Holy moly, on a sandwich.
Pack 1 Mythic.
We pulled a falcon. Oh, Falco.
Punch.
He's a bird, guys. That's a nasty bird.
And a bird demon.
Watch out, it might shit on your head. It might crap on your head. Thanks back.
Yeah, Elspeth. Hey, there's Elspeth. Woo.
Yay.
We have a nice full art swamp.
Nice.
With all kind of showcases. Like separating my showcases.
Yeah, we're going straight to the rares, guys.
As per usual. Third one of these in showcase. Oh, we have the Ansem.
Nice.
Tennessee. It's alright.
That's a nice art. I like that art. Here we go. What? No way! No freaking way, guys! That's a Days Undoing. Wow!
Well,
they put Days Undoing
on the list. It's been on there for a while.
Oh my goodness!
Get the Getaway Express.
Guys, this box is looking out to be so far amazing.
Oh, this is the tip of the iceberg.
Oh my goodness! He actually got a good list card.
Right?
Days Undoing, holy crap.
I know, it's like 30 bucks. Look at the pack. Look at the pack. Look at the pack. Because it's all beat out to hell. If the cards are damaged, it's a foil Elspeth.
Guys, you see it right now. It's damaged pack. As long as the cards look fine, I think. Oh, remember that time in Dominaria, my pre-release was completely crushed?
No, I wasn't. I didn't go pre-release.
So for Dominaria, my pre-release hollows, my 2 hollows were creased. Both of them were creased. So I sent them on Wizards and they gave me a replacement. I still have the crease cards.
Read this guy real quick.
What?
I told you, it's spiked recently because of Modern.
Wow.
Yeah.
Even if it is a list version.
I didn't realize I put that token there. Get out of here. And stay out.
That's an awesome list card to pull.
Alright, next rare.
Alright, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, more
Showcase.
commons. This in the rare. Cut the profits. I never want to cut my profits.
Citizens.
Exactly, there you go.
Citizenship. I didn't speed up for that. But we're having too much fun.
We got time.
We got another.
We got about an hour.
We got another swamp in the show in the night full art.
Yeah, about an hour. What time do they close?
Oh, legendary. Legendary. I forgot to put down legendaries.
Oh.
Legendary. Oh, showcase.
That's a lot of legendaries.
That's not bad. Rogue. Alright. Yeah, no, they have legendaries at the wazoo nowadays. You won't deal a pack without legendary. You have a nice force. Skip fast a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You got the Commander slot mythic.
There you go.
You have. This is not bad.
Unleash the Inferno.
And.
What is that?
Oh, that's one of the secret lair added cards.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, from
I thought that'd be in the commander slot. Nah.
No, that's kind of strong.
For a triumph, I would have been happy.
Are the tribes like really
Hard to
good?
get? Yeah, they're the opposite triumphs. The other
finished the trial line.
Yeah, they have all 10 now.
Oh wow, okay. I didn't know the tribes were in the set.
Yeah.
Close at 10 now.
Yeah, gilded.
They don't want to go too later, else, you know.
Well, 9 o'clock. That's what I'm saying. We leave 9
This
o'clock.
is a gilded rare.
Holy moly, look at that, guys.
Oh,
That looks beautiful.
This time, right?
Huh?
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
It's not full, it's called gilded.
but
Yeah.
these are hard to get.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
But you can get any card like that?
Any card that matters.
Mostly common and uncommon.
Mostly the commanders cards.
Oh, okay.
But you'll mostly pull the card game tones.
So that you can't get them like the mythics and stuff like that.
Sure. Yeah, you can. Sander is like $150 by itself already.
Holy Thomas.
Okay, commander slot card.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Another mythic.
Read that real quick. You draw all our cards? We draw all our cards.
And a nice foil from the list.
So far, I know I'm going slow, but because I'm really interested in what we pull. I'll
Yeah,
go,
7 minutes in the video already.
Yeah, I need to speed up a little bit. I mean, there are only 30 packs, but still.
But we might cut the video off.
Again, like what you did last time?
Indeed.
Yeah, drink this guy and a foil rare of the Tat Token Maker. That's not bad.
Nice.
That works. That's the foil.
I don't know, guys. I think this box might have
Well, the day's
some
done.
promise.
Well, the day's done doing page for a third of it.
Nah. Well, yeah.
A third of it. Yes, well, all the charms, right? That's my pre-release promo.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, do we have something here? Yeah, we do. Another Forever
Oh,
Friend.
nice. Nice, guys.
It looks full of the same.
Yeah, I thought it was full too. Elmar.
Forever Friends.
He's a human, guys.
Alright. Yep.
Oh, nice. It's a nice land. Check out the land, guys.
Showcase. Then we have another
Oh, the troublemaker. He's back, guys.
making his rounds.
Yeah.
Making his rounds.
Wants to bring us some trouble.
And make it double.
Prepare for trouble. And make it double.
Master's Command and
yeah.
a foil land.
A full something.
This is the Grixis one.
Man, that looks really nice, guys. Look at that thing.
Oh yeah.
It looks like it's shining.
It's literally gold.
It's like gold shining, guys.
It's gilded. This
looks
is what the
real
attraction is
nice.
gonna look like.
You need to check which one.
That looks crazy, guys.
With a secret lair. Charm. That. Rivulet.
Might have to do 2 parts.
No, not. Why? How?
It's 9 minutes already.
That's alright. I didn't.
Yeah, we're still on.
I took.
Oh,
Lamborghini. And another Forever Friend.
that's a nice one.
So you're guaranteed at least one. Yeah, you're supposed to get one secret lair list card from like every so number of packs. Charm.
1 comments. I seriously thought that was another troublemaker. I was like, what? How many troublemakers can we get?
You never got not too much in trouble. Burn the bitch.
Burn the witch. Oh,
No triumph.
no triumph. Where's the triumph? Yeah, not one.
Watch, that'll be in that one.
Maybe. full spam.
Are they like short printed?
On purpose.
Really?
You know.
Of course. The try-on bands.
We have the body launderer.
There you go. That's a badass, guys. That's a big boy right there. Look at that guy.
Selling any of those singles, or you only you have to buy them?
Yeah.
Not loose pack. Not loose.
Oh, not loose packs, just the boxes.
Yeah.
Oh. Meeting of the 5. Well, we only have 4 today. The 5th one is taking it easy.
Hey, the Mythic.
So we got a few more packs, guys. I'd say what, like 7 packs?
Ramos. Oh, sorry, I opened the wrong way. But Ramos was like that.
Oh, another slot card.
Vivian
Oh, Vivian Reed!
Reed. Double back Mythic.
We did it, guys. We pulled the Planeswalker. That was a double mythic pack, guys.
It was.
Holy crap.
That one's gonna go up a lot because it's a modern 2-piece combo.
Oh, really?
Yeah, fill out our Guardian. And,
Oh, yeah.
We have the plant dinosaur.
Nice.
basically a birthing pod on a stick.
Yeah, that card is good.
Anyway,
Back into it, get back into modern stick.
Yeah.
We'll decide to be modern.
Maybe modern, I don't know. I'm not sure yet.
One, two. You have a shape of your own, the commander slot, and sorry, wrong set. Yeah.
Undercover brother, guys.
All right.
Got a few more.
Yep. Another showcase land. Just skip the uncommons a little bit. Just save time. And we have a mythic
Oh, nice.
cat leader. The showcase and
A mythic cat.
cat
Okay.
demon.
And a demon, too. Wow.
So we got you're not even guaranteed one of these in the box, to what I understand.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the gilded like every other set pack, every pack, every other. There's our box promo.
Yeah, box promo.
All right, well,
So we got, guys, about 4 packs left. This is 5 packs left.
I think
Oh, six packs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah.
Yeah, 6 packs left. No triumphs in this box at all.
But I expected that they probably do it on purpose.
I guess they're like really short printed now. 2 rares and a 4. All right. Fight rigging.
All right, give another mountain, nice.
Nice mount, I'm not gonna lie.
It looks really nice, yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of the art of the set, only because it's too modern for my taste, but
Oh!
It lists hit.
It lists Tamayo from War of the Spark. That's awesome.
Didn't need to be on the list. But then again, I have like several of them, so.
Nah. Imagine it was the full Japanese alternate.
Oh, at the yep.
Nice.
I mean, I think that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything left unless there's a Triumph.
unless there's that green artifact.
Oh, Void Ren.
Nice. That's a nice card.
And the Uncountable Vindicate.
Yeah, that's a really good card. Non-land permanent. Non-land permanent. But close enough.
Yeah, close enough.
Yeah, it's not bad. For those colors, if you're playing those colors, it's not bad. Because you can't counter it. So
Kind of like black and white.
And it's Obscura colors too. What do they call it, Esper?
Hey guys, so no lands. Like, what's going on? Are they really short printed?
I guess they put them on all the collector boxes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Wow, look at that.
It was nice.
That's a set booster, a whole set booster. And plus the pre-release is none.
Even Midnight Hunt had like I pulled like 3 lands out
I
of it.
pulled at least 2 lands at pre-release.
Yeah. They were like easy to pull.
Treasure.
Last pack? No, we got one more pack, guys.
Not 4 rare. And Zakama.
No way! No way! Oh my goodness, guys!
How's it come on the list? I don't fucking know.
Holy
Just added on the list. I
moly.
just checking it the other day.
Days Undoing and Zakama.
$60 right there. That
Wow.
pays for half the box almost.
Wow, guys! Oh my God, the list putting in work.
And with the land slot will be playing work.
What? Oh my goodness! And here we thought it was like a good box turning into a bad box. Well, at the beginning I said it was
full
a good
mythic.
box. Oh, nice! And a full mythic.
That's the pre-con commander.
Oh, okay, but still, wow, guys, what a box! Yes, we didn't get any triumphs, but we did get.
One gilded foil.
We got a Vivian, yeah, we got one of those shiny things. Honestly, this box is pretty good. I mean, you got two amazing list cards.
I got
ridiculous.
2 of the leaders of
Definitely.
the guilds or the factions.
We got Zakama, we got Days Undoing, we got Vivian, we got a bunch of mythics, probably like 10 mythics honestly in total. Wow, this is crazy.
You press the camera, the other button, the one next. There's like a little button to take a picture.
Oh yeah. Taking a picture, guys. Alright guys, well that's it for now. We'll be back later with more packs. So stay happy, stay fat, and don't forget to eat a lot. We're out. And that, yeah.